To start, first open make.com and go to the scenario builder. Click the plus icon to add a new module. In the search bar, type Notion and select the verified Notion app. Now you'll see a list of actions you can perform. Things like creating a page, retrieving database items, or creating a database entry. For this example, we'll choose create a database item. Now it's time to connect your Notion account. To do that, click create connection, and then you can choose whether to make a public or internal. Public works fine for most use cases, so give the connection a name and then click save. You'll now be redirected to Notion. Log into your account if you haven't already, and then click select pages and choose the pages or databases you want to give Make access to. Once selected, click allow access and you'll see Make confirming that the connection was successful. Back in Make, you can now enter your database ID. You can either type it in manually or choose it from the drop-down list. That's it. That's how you connect Notion to Make.com in 2025. From here, you can start building your automations using your Notion data. To double check, go to your Connections tab and you'll see Notion listed and ready to use.